Biotox Gold Review. Biotox Gold official link in description below. Biotox Gold is gradually growing in popularity among people, and there is a reason why this is happening. Many people are becoming more aware of the need to keep up the ideal weight. Besides the health benefits of staying healthy, maintaining a healthy weight helps to boost self-confidence. The question remains, what is Biotox Gold? Besides all the internet hype, does this product work as it claims? This latest Biotox Gold review aims to help you understand more about this product. Biotox Gold is one dietary supplement that is progressively becoming popular for many reasons. You need to know more about this product, especially if you are looking for safe ways to lose weight. It is no longer news that being overweight has many health issues. If not taken care of, it can lead to severe complications. Many people engage in exhausting exercise for months, and only a few manage to eliminate the extra flesh. Others undertake a dietary plan to lose extra pounds. While exercise and a healthy diet are essential for healthy living, there are safer and easier ways to lose weight. You also don't need to cut down your rations to lose weight. What is Biotox Gold? Biotox Gold is a natural weight loss supplement that contains 100% natural ingredients. Biotox Gold is unique and comes in liquid form, making it different from other existing dietary supplements. Biotox Gold supplement helps to improve the body's ability to burn stubborn fats. It also gets rid of toxins that the body accumulates daily. According to the product's claims, this dietary supplement does not contain any artificial chemicals/preservatives. It gets rid of stubborn fats without introducing any harmful chemicals to the body. Little wonder the product has become very popular today among people around the world. Also, the product claims to help the body get rid of metabolic waste and boost energy levels. Thanks to the unique natural ingredients in Biotox Gold that break down stubborn fats. It helps to convert the fat cells into energy for use by the body. Biotox Gold is essential for those who wish to lose weight, but cannot engage actively in exercise. It is also suitable for those who find it hard to stick to a weight loss program. You can say that Biotox Gold is the easy way to lose those excess flaps and reclaim your looks. How does Biotox Gold work? It is quite simple to understand how the Biotox Gold supplement works. Understanding the ingredients it contains and their benefits makes it easy to know how the product works. The product helps break down the excess fat cells in the body and convert them into useful energy. Biotox Gold helps to speed up the body's metabolism, which speeds up the body's fat-burning process. Therefore, you enjoy faster results from your weight loss program. Biotox Gold benefits. Biotox Gold supplement has numerous health benefits. It does not only act to help you reduce weight, but also improves your general wellness. The benefits of this supplement are a further extension of how the product works. The benefits include: how to use Biotox Gold. Biotox Gold is a liquid supplement that is easy to include in anybody's daily routine. The dosage for this product, according to the manufacturer, is an intake of 10 drops, 3 times daily. For best results from medication, read the product direction of use. Remember, the secret to effective treatment is consistency and correct dosage. The liquid form of this product makes it bioavailable. Biotox Gold absorbs easily because it is liquid. The result of using this natural supplement is also faster. Where can you buy Biotox Gold? You can only purchase Biotox Gold from our description. You can pay for your product via various ways, including PayPal and all major credit card types. How much does Biotox Gold cost? You can purchase a bottle of Biotox Gold at a discount price of $79 and enjoy free shipping if you live in the US. The regular price for the product is $129. 3 bottles of this dietary supplement go for a discount price of $165 instead of the usual $387. It also comes with free shipping for those in the US. You can get 6 bottles of this product for $252 today and enjoy free shipping around the US. The actual price of this product is $774. For more information, check out our description.